Hi, today we are going to look at the Photoshop interface. Once you open the Photoshop, the interface is going to look like this. Photoshop is a software which is used to edit the image as well as it is used for designing. On the topmost bar is called as menu bar. In the menu bar, you will be able to see File, Edit, Image, Layer. All these four things are oftenly used. Next to that, you can see Type, Select, Filter, View, Window, Help. Below the menu bar, you will be able to see the menu option bar. Once you go to the particular toolbar and select any particular tool from the toolbar, their tool related options will be displayed on the option bar. Once you press any particular brush, for example, just click on the brush. Let's go to any particular shape of the brush. Just click on that. That particular related things will be appeared on the option bar. Next, towards your left side of the screen is called as toolbar. These tools are used to edit or enhance a photograph. In the center of the screen, whatever you're seeing is called as Workspace. If you want to do any particular edit to the photograph, the changes will be appeared on the Workspace area. Towards your right hand side of your screen is called as palette bar. You will be able to see all the layers and effects related things inside this palette, and what are the adjustments you are going to do, all those things will be visible in the palette bar.